Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the evolutionary evidences based on the fossil record. Now, paleontologists are the scientists who study the fossils. They have recovered and studied a number of fossil remains of many organisms that lived in the past. The fossil record shows that many kind of extinct organisms were very different in form from those organisms which are present at the moment. It also shows succession of organisms through the time, how different ancestors of the existing individuals, different kind of branches originated from the common ancestors, and how the evolution has benefited those organisms which are surviving at the moment. Now, fossils are actually the preserved remain or traces of the animals, plants, and other organisms from the past. Fossils are important evidences for evolution because they show the life on Earth was different from life found on modern Earth, or the Earth at the time now. Now, biogeography is the study of geographical distribution of different organisms. It provides information about how and when species may have evolved or separated from the other species. Fossils provide evidence of long-term evolutionary changes which taken place in an evolutionary tree or evolutionary lineage, documenting the past existence of species that are now extinct. Fossil may consist of marks left behind by the organism when it was alive, such as footprints of that organism or the feces or the excretory remains of that organisms. These type of fossils are known as trace fossils or ichnofossils as opposed to the body fossils. Body fossils are actually the main remains or the portion of organisms which is present as a fossil, including bones or exoskeletons. Trace fossils, along with these body fossils and some chemofossils, like those biochemical signals, they are somehow trapped in the through the evolution of this paleontology. These all three form of fossils help the paleontologist to age the fossils using different methods, including radiometric dating, and categorize them to determine the evolutionary relationship between or among the different population which existed in the past as well as which are present in the existing forms.